Just finished up cardio and eating. I had 7 ounces of ground turkey and 240 grams of rice. If you're interested in following along in my little diet here. If not, then that didn't help you at all. So today I want to talk to you guys about compound movements. This is something that when I first started out, I didn't even think about it. I just did whatever. Someone did explain it to me early on. My buddy Zach, I know I've mentioned him before in these videos because he was the guy that got me started. He's the one that started everything. When I was 17, started having protein shakes during math class, didn't care. I would just shake it, interrupting the teacher. But we're not gonna get into that. Main point here is that he explained compound movements. I didn't do any extra research on this because you guys are very smart at home. You could do your own research. The point of this channel is to explain my experiences with all the lifting topics, if you want to call them that. So my experience on compound movements is like this. There's 2 basic ways you can look at it. There's a big picture way and then a little picture way. Let me explain. So the big picture way is like this. Compound movements are going to build mass, size, and strength, right? Compound movements are things like the bench press, the deadlift, the squat, okay? A close grip bench press for triceps. Skull crushers even, I could consider a compound movement. Roast me if I'm wrong. So using those movements, those compound movements, what it does is this. Think of it like this. You build muscle, mass, strength with a compound movement. Okay, but you're not gonna get definition. So the best way I like to explain it is like this. To build up your tricep for mass and size, right? Hit some compound movements. Then when you build the size of the tricep, you wanna go ahead and do some isolation movements. And that's when you're gonna isolate, you're gonna focus on building that horseshoe that you really want. You know what I mean? Because you don't just want a big blob of a tricep like on your arm. You know what I mean? You want to build the horseshoe. So the takeaway there is compound movement's gonna build that size. Once you build that size, boom, you hit it with some isolated lifts there and then you mold it into what you want, basically. Specifics of the muscle, like I explained with the horseshoe. Now, the other way to look at it is on a day-to-day level. So check it out, you go into the gym, nail your compound movements first to get that size, and then when your muscles are a little tired, boom, you fire them up with the isolated movements and you work on, you know, the little things like the peak of your bicep or the horseshoe in your tricep or some striations in your chest. You know what I mean? Like you work on those things. But the compound is gonna give you size. Isolated is gonna give you the little details. And that's really, honestly, basic knowledge, all you guys need to know right now. And having said that, like if you guys have any questions about it, you want me to go into further detail, for sure, leave the comment down below and I will definitely get into it. But like I said, I don't wanna be someone that just, you know, anyone can go on Google, and especially you guys, I know you're smart because you follow me, so you're smart. Anyone can go on Google and type in compound movements and then be like, la la la, and then write down a script and say it on a camera and then post it to YouTube. I don't wanna do that because I actually thought about doing it and then I realized I need to stay true to myself and to the channel. Why did I start the channel? Because I want to tell my younger self everything I wanted to know when I first started out lifting. And I also love helping people. I love helping people in the gym. I love helping my friends. As long as people will take the advice, I'm willing to give it and do my best. And if I find out, guys, that I'm wrong on something, I'm not, you know, I don't think of myself as up here. I'll be like, yo, I told you the compound movement was this. It wasn't. I'll correct myself because guess what? We're not always right. We're just not. I did a terrible job at filming like an outro for this. I was gonna film a little bit more, but I got caught up editing and getting some other videos ready for you guys. So I'm just gonna end it here because it's kind of late. I don't like making videos real loud because I do have neighbors. I'm just gonna eat and go to bed though, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe so you don't miss any of my new upcoming content and hit that notifications bell. Leave a comment down below if you have a question for me, or if you made it this far in the video, which I truly appreciate all the OGs out there that watch the entire video. That helps my channel so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Got to do it. It should be allowed.